Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have my BOXYCHARM Premium Box for the month of August. Woohoo! If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. So my last video I filmed my base box for BOXYCHARM. Now I finally got my premium box. So I'm excited to see what I got because my base box seemed a little skincare heavy for me. So let's hope this premium box is a little bit better. The premium box is $35. The base is $25. So this is supposed to be premium, meaning, you know, you get a little bit more luxe products. You're supposed to get an extra item. So instead of getting 5 items, you get 6 items. Overall it's supposed to be a better box. That's why it's the premium box. But let's see if it's up to par with what they say as far as getting premium items. So we're gonna dig in, but before we dig into the box, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome all. My name is Aisha. I love makeup. That hence the name, Aisha Loves Makeup. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxings on this channel because I just like trying like new beauty products. I tend to get more makeup subscription boxes than skincare because I mean I love trying makeup. I'm a makeup junkie. So that's what you'll see a lot on this channel, and I do lots of makeup hauls and mystery boxes unboxings. So if those are things you like to watch, I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It would be greatly appreciated. We're growing strong on the channel. Thank you again for everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys who are showing me love and support. It means the world to me. And as always, I say, I'm simple. It doesn't take a lot to make me happy. If you guys want to show love and support to me, all I say is, you know, you can just give me a little thumbs up. It literally goes a long way on the channel. So I really do appreciate those thumbs up. And that's really about it. I just want to get into the box and see what we got. Alrighty guys, so the premium box is a lot bigger than the base box since you get like 1 extra item. The premium box is always blue. So this is the inside of the box. We normally get a card. I think it just fell out. Yes, it did. This is a card. You normally get a card. Not all the times that they give you one, but you normally get a card that tells you the prices and about the items in your box. I will give a sneak peek as always. This is the sneak peek. And let's dig in. Alrighty, so for my choice, I chose the Fenty makeup spray because I want to try all of Fenty beauty products. So I chose this spray because I heard very good things about it. So this is what it looks like. This retails for $30 and the whole box was $35. So this is why I say like I love makeup subscription boxes because let's say I wanted to try and go to Sephora to buy this product, right? And I would have spent like the $30 on this plus tax. So it would have been close to $35, but I would have never got all these other items with it. So you really do get your bang for your buck. Unfortunately, when you do the subscription boxes, sometimes you get things that you don't want as well. It kind of comes along with the territory, but overall, like for me, I'm lucky I have a channel, so I'm always going to be doing giveaways. So whatever I don't use, I just give away. So it still works out. It's a win-win. Whatever I don't have, you guys can have. So win-win. But I'm super excited for my first item. And this is supposed to be for like a dewy look. I already have setting spray on right now. I love the Pixie Glow Mist. This is like one of my favorite setting sprays. So I'm not going to spray this on top because I already have like my setting spray already on me for the day. But I'm super excited to try this out. It feels very like lightweight. So I'm super excited for that. The next thing I got is from La Rousse. Normally, like BOXYCHARM and Ipsy, they give us brushes by this company. I did not know that they have like, this looks like I want to say like a makeup like remover pads. So we get like 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 removable pads. They do say La Rousse on the corners of them. So, I mean, I still don't know how I feel about like, I like the old-fashioned way to wash off my makeup, so I don't know how I feel about these, but I will try to give them a try because I know it is wasteful sometimes when I use like my makeup wipe, so I'm trying to find another alternative way, but at the end of the day, I still need to take my makeup off because I do not want to break out. I need this beautiful face for my YouTube channel, so we'll try it out though. I'm always willing to give something a try, so we will see. This was $24. Alrighty. So the next thing I got is from the brand OCA. I hope I'm saying this right, but I think it's OCA. It says Sea Mineral Mist, so it looks like I got another spray. I did get a setting spray in my base box. If you guys want to see what I got, I'll link down like my base box that I just did down in the description below if you guys want to see what spray I got. But I just got a spray and now I have another one. So now I have like 3 sprays literally in 1 month. This is how things start to pile up with subscription boxes, because now that I think about it, why did they give 2 sprays in a box? I literally just caught on to that now. I'm like, I mean, I know I chose this, but then I wouldn't think they would give you 2. So now I have 2, and then I got another one from my base box. So it's like I have 1 face. So that's how things really accumulate really fast when you have subscription boxes. This says, I'm curious what this is. Is this like a makeup spray or just a regular spray? It says balance and soothe skin with supercharged toning mist. It helps to nourish skin, ideally for plumping and hydration. So I guess this is more like a hydration spray, and this is like a more makeup setting spray, but it's still like, in my eyes, it's still a setting spray to me, because I would use it still to set my makeup. So 2 in 1 box. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I always want to try stuff from the brand OCA. I see a lot of people using this brand. I heard a lot of good things about it. So I'm not mad at it. I will definitely use these 2 items. So I'm not mad, but it's just, I only have 1 face. Alrighty. That spray was $38. So this one thing was way over the price of the box. Well, not way over the price, but you know, it's over the price of the box. So I'm getting my bang for my buck. But now I'm still not seeing like makeup, like an actual makeup item, but we'll continue. So the next thing I got is an Earth Harbor Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. It says Sunshine Dew. So I got a skincare item. Where's the makeup, BOXYCHARM? I noticed Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, they both give a lot of stuff from the Earth Harbor company. I have like a lot of serums from them. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love the packaging. I don't know if I may give this away. This is a cleansing oil, but like I'll use like a cleansing balm. I may even use a cleansing milk, but I can't see myself using a cleansing oil. My skin is normal. to oily, and I don't really like. I use oil sometimes at the end of the night, just in the morning, like if I want my skin to feel really super hydrated, but that's like in the winter time. But I like summertime and stuff like that, I stay away from oils because I do not want to be super shiny. So I'm probably gonna give this away just because your girl's oily. Alrighty, so out of everything so far, that's the first thing I know I'm gonna give away. The next thing I have here is Grow Alchemist. This is an age repair mask, another skincare item. Where is the makeup? I'm still looking for the makeup. But let's see what this is. So this says Age Repair Gel Mask. This retails for $79. Wow, wow, wow. It's an anti-aging facial mask that helps with dull skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It helps to hydrate the skin. I was just saying my skin is oily, so I don't need hydration. I will be giving this mask away as well. I tend to give a lot of my skincare stuff away just because I don't want to be like wasteful, and I know I have so much stuff already. As you guys can see, like things accumulate very fast. It's funny because my base box that I just filmed a couple of days ago, like 2 days ago, was very skincare heavy. Now I have another box that's skincare heavy. It's like, it's tough because like the stuff is gonna go to waste. If every single month I get a new toner, a new moisturizer, a new serum, like you can only use but so much of that stuff. And like if once you open it, it's wasteful. So that's why I'd rather like makeup, because it has a longer lifespan and I can use this stuff every day. But like I'm not gonna use 3 different moisturizers every single. If I got 3 moisturizers, I have to use it for like 3 months, you know, just to see if the product is working. And then other stuff is just gonna be deteriorating and getting old while it's waiting for me to use those products. So that's why I don't like when I get like a lot of skincare. And a lot of people have been giving that feedback, yet these subscription boxes keep on giving all of this skincare. So yeah, just venting, a mild little vent. But I mean, I know beggars can't be choosers, so it is what it is. But in my opinion, I would love more makeup. My opinion only. I also got this item here. What is this? It says Vesca Beauty. Okay, so my first makeup item out of the whole box, 6 items. And I mean, I don't really consider setting sprays like a makeup item if it's not like color. If it's not adding any color to my makeup or enhancing really, then it's not really makeup to me. You know, this is just like a topper, but it's not really like makeup to me, even though it's a makeup setting spray. But let's see, this is what the box looks like. I love the colorful box. It's a highlighter. Let's see if the highlighter matches my skin tone, because normally when they give highlighters, it's like it's too light for me. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This is the only thing. See, that's how you know like I am like a makeup girl, because literally, did you guys just see like the dance and like how my face lit up when I got like a makeup item? Like I really do love getting new makeup. Like this is the highlighter that they gave me, which is beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful color for like my skin tone. If you are lighter than me, then this is definitely not gonna be like a good highlighter for your skin tone. But if you're like darker skin tone, then I definitely recommend this color. I'm wondering if they had other shades beside this like bronzy highlighter, but I'm super ecstatic for this. It says a creamy glow anywhere highlighter powder that delivers starlit luminosity to cheeks and eyes. Super excited for that. I've never tried any makeup, I don't think, from Vesca that I know of. And if I do, then it wasn't anything that spectacular because I don't remember. But that retails for $28. So let's see how much my box added up to. Alrighty guys, I added up my box and the total of my box was $223. I think that's amazing. I literally paid $35 and got $223 worth of stuff. However, if you ask me, like, is it stuff that I'm gonna honestly want to use, then you know, like the Grown Alchemist thing was $79, but I have to give that away. I'm not gonna use it. Same thing with the cleansing oil. So you win some, you lose some. But I'm super excited for these 3 things, are like the things that I'm really super excited for. I think I want to say out of everything, because I'm gonna be giving away these 2 skincare items. I don't know, maybe should I give this away? I have so many of these as well, and I haven't even used the other ones, so I may give this away as well. But what did you guys think about like my box? I'm just a little sad that like BOXYCHARM is, the wave of BOXYCHARM is I feel like it's changing. I remember getting all these cool makeup items and I couldn't wait to try everything out. And it's like, I even watch like some other like YouTubers who get the boxes, and normally they, you know, do a full face out of the stuff they got in the box. Like, you know, they'll do like a get ready with me and do like a full face, which a lot of people have mentioning that they want me to start doing those type of videos. Comment that down below if that's something you guys would like to see on my channel. I am mostly an unboxing channel, and like me doing my makeup hauls. I don't really do makeup on the channel. I can, like, I am a professional makeup artist. Like, I've been doing this makeup for years. It's just that right now I'm more in a highly elevated role in the beauty community, so I really don't do like makeup from like my actual job role anymore, unfortunately. But I still do side jobs, but I still, like, I know how to do makeup. I went to school for makeup. So let me know if that's something that you guys want. You know, I get a lot of compliments on how I do my makeup. Thank you guys so much for all the compliments. So I can do that if you want. But like, back to what I was saying, when the YouTubers try to do the get ready with me, there's like no makeup. Like, for example, if I want to do a get ready with me for you guys, I can't even do a face. I got a highlighter. Like, there's nothing to really do like a full face. So that's a problem. So BOXYCHARM, I mean, I'm a small channel, so they probably ain't watching. But like, if everybody, you know, all has a voice and says like, go back to how it used to be, then maybe, you know, they may change. Because I know I used to love BOXYCHARM. Now I'm like Team Ipsy all the way. Like, they've been giving so much makeup products and I've been loving everything. So I don't know what happened, but BOXYCHARM, get it together. Alrighty, but I still love them and I still subscribe. So that's really about it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about my box. I got a new box coming to the channel. Try Beauty box that I got. It's a bi-monthly box. If you guys want to see what I got in this box, I'm going to film that right after this. That's going to be new to the channel, so I'm excited to see what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.